Hello, this video is going to go over how to find warrants in the state of Washington. So to get started, visit washingtonpublicrecords.com. I'll have a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. On the home page, you will notice you have multiple public record databases available to you. And depending on what kind of research you're doing, you might find something useful for yourself here. Now, we also have created pages after the most sought after records. For example, background checks, criminal records. If you hover over other records, you'll see court records, inmates, and warrant search, vital information, property records. So I'll show you how one of these pages works. So let's click on warrant. And what you'll see here is you'll have if there is an option for a statewide database, you'll see it right here, and the state of Washington does have one. What you also have is databases at the county level. Now, everything originates at the county level, so you can also use the county resources. You have the phone numbers here, and you have if there's a database or an information page available regarding warrants, we will also place it here for you. So just depends on what you want to do. You can use both the statewide and the county level databases. I believe everything does originate at the county level, so it just depends. Maybe you might want to check both. Another thing to consider is using court records, and everything goes through a judge, whether it's a bench warrant or an arrest warrant. So a court document is created. So unless it's a sensitive situation, you're able to look at those court documents because they are considered public records. So that's another thing to use if you wanted to maybe look at multiple documents, see exactly what's going on. You can also utilize court records to look up information. Now, another thing to consider is the name search on top here. And this database looks at records not just at the county level or state of Washington level. Let's say you are looking for criminal arrest related information. Let's say somebody has a record in Utah or maybe in Texas, and now they're living in Washington. So if you're just checking the local county or the local state records, you're not necessarily going to see what happened in the past in those previous states. So this gives you an opportunity to kind of combine multi-state, multi-database information into a single search. It's almost instantaneous, and see if you can locate more information that way. So once again, you have your county information, you have your statewide information, and you can also utilize a private database. So come on down to washingtonpublicrecords.com and get started on your Washington warrant search. Thank you.